Good morning, children. Today we will do the next exercises of your practice book. But before that, in the exercise worksheet 3, there is given some to fill common gender. But before that, in previous class also, I had explained you the common gender. But today, I again taught you some to understand you better the common gender. Children, somebody you have asked also about common gender. Okay, then what are the examples comes under common gender? The first example you can easily understand the common gender is your parents. Parents word, parent. Children, in parents word, how it form? Parents form by mother and father. Father, both. Okay. And what is the meaning of common gender? Do you know? The meaning means in Hindi, samanya. Common means samanya and gender is लिंग. सामान्य लिंग के शब्दों को हम लोग कॉमन जेंडर कहते हैं. ओके, सामान्य लिंग का क्या हुआ मतलब? सामान्य लिंग जिसमें कि बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल कैटेगरी आते हों. ठीक है, तो सपोज we understand it better with the example of parents. In parents, both mother and fathers come. If I told you that call your parents, if your teacher told you call your parents, then either there is distinction between your father or mother, that you called only father or only mother? No? Okay, then it is parents, means you call your either father or mother. आप अपने पिता को बुलाओ या माता को बुलाओ. Okay, then there is a common gender, the word that is parents. Parents is the word used in common gender, means you cannot identify whether the male or female categories in it. Either it denotes both male and female. Second example, you can understand it better. That is the word child, bachcha. Okay, in child, all of you at your house, a child either male, boy. Okay, if the child is boy, then it could be male. If the child is female, then it could be girl. Okay, it could be girl. It could be girl. The child could be boy. The child could be girl. If it is boy, then it is male. If it is girl, then it is female. Okay. If I called you, the child is very cute, can you identify the child is male or female? No, never. You cannot identify, because in child, I told you about both male and female, both boy and girl. Okay, you cannot identify. So the words child come under the common gender. Child में दोनों girls भी हो सकते हैं, boy भी हो सकते हैं. Now the third example you can take here with what? Student. You are student, children. Student. You can easily understand the common. You are the common gender, student. If you are a student, then you are the common gender. How it is? Because student is also both. If it is male student, then it is boy. If it is female student, then it is girl. Okay, then it is girl. there is a differentiation between boy and girl. So in students, if I told you, students, sit down, students, bring my bag, okay, then can you identify? I call the students, it is only girls or it is only boy? No, not. Never. Students is the word denotes either for male student or female students both. Now the third, fourth example, you can understand it better by the word servant. Servant. Servant is also both male, either male or female. Anything else? Okay? You cannot identify that the servant is either male or female. A servant is working in my house. Either the servant word is used for male or female. You can identify it? No. The servant word used both for male or female. Servant word, in servant word, both male servant also and female servant also comes under it. So these are the examples of common genders. You can understand it better by these. The first example I have shown you, parents. Okay, parents. Parents, both mother and father involved. Child, both male and female involved. In students, both male student, female students are there. Servant, both male and female servants are there. There are so many such types of common gender. Also, you can easily catch it, okay, from the words that are given in the exercises. Okay, now we have to do the exercise worksheet number 3. The one there is there is a blanks given in worksheet 3. First one, you have to write down common gender. You have to write some A, B, C, D, E. 3 to 5 common genders you have to write with your own. First one I have written engineer. Engineer. E-N-G-I-N-E-E-R. Engineer. Can you identify the engineer is male or female? Either male or female? No, you cannot identify. Male or female? Both in the word engineer. Second, B. Teacher. You have to fill teacher. The teacher is teaching. Can you identify the teacher is male or female? No. You can identify I am teaching whether I am male or female? No. But the word teacher is used for both male and female. Now the C1. C1 you have to write scientist. Scientist word is also used for both male and female. Whether can be scientist, can be male, scientist can be female. Anything else? Students. I've told you this time also, students may be male or female. Category may be girl, may be boy students. Now E. Doctor. Doctor could be male, doctor could be female doctor. Okay, male doctor and female doctor you can identify. So common gender denotes both male and female category. Now the next one you have to do, write whether they are male or female or common gender. Write whether they are male, female, common gender. The first one you have to do, a person who paints is a, एक ऐसा पर्सन जो पेंट्स करता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? इज अ पेंटर. P-A-I-N-T-E-R. It's painter. A person who paints is a painter. Painter, can you identify? Painter is male or female? No. Painter anything else. Painter could be male, could be female. So it is comes under common noun. Now the second one, a child without parents is called an. एक ऐसे बच्चे जिनके माता पिता नहीं होते उनको क्या कहते हैं? The child, that type of child called or P-O-R-P-H-A-N. It's called orphan. Then children, can you identify the word orphan? Could be male or female. ऑर्फन ये अनाथ बच्चे जो हैं कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, इधर मेल और फीमेल हो सकते हैं. So the word orphan could be male or female. A child without parents is called an orphan. And why you used? An is used because there is O, A, E, I, O, U. Okay. That an is used for the vowel O-R-P-H-A-N. Orphan. Orphan means anath. Okay. And orphan is the common gender. Now the third one. A person who lives in the house next to yours is your. एक ऐसे लोग जो आपके घर के नेक्स्ट बगल में रहते हों उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? उन्हें कहते हैं पड़ोसी. Then it is N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. It's neighbor. Neighbor means पड़ोसी. Now, can you identify the neighbor word is male or female? No. It involves both male or female. You cannot distinguish it. You cannot differentiate it. Either the neighbor is of male or female. Okay. Now the fourth one. Your father's dad is your what? आपके पिता के डैडी क्या होते हैं? Father's dad is your grand. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. F-A-T-H-E-R. It's grandfather. It's Dadaji. Okay. Grandfather. Then children, can you identify the word grandfather is? Grandfather is male or female or common gender? Do you know the word father is what? Male or female? It is male. So the grandfather, that is Dadaji, that is it is also male. Means it comes under masculine, not common gender. Grandfather is particularly used for father, particularly used for male person. So it comes under masculine gender. Okay. Yours father's dad is yours. Grandfather, the father word is male category, so it comes under masculine gender. Now the fifth one, the opposite gender of a horse is a. You already learned in previous match of the following also. Opposite gender of horse. The opposite gender of horse, what we call? It's mare. M-A-R-E. Do you know, children? Horse is male or female? Do you know it better? You know, I know you know better. Horse is male. Means horse is masculine. Horse is masculine. So, opposite to that masculine gender, opposite to the male horse, what is called female horse? Female horse is called mare. M-A-R-E. It's female horse. M-A-R-E. Now the sixth one, the opposite gender of nephew is. The opposite gender of nephew is what called? Opposite gender of nephew is called niece. N-I-E-C-E. It's niece. Okay. Nephew, it's Nephew. Nephew. It's nephew, and the opposite gender of nephew is niece. That is called niece. Then the question is, nephew is male or female? Nephew is male. It is masculine. And niece is female. It is feminine. Okay, it comes under feminine, and nephew comes under masculine gender. Now, this last and seventh one, the person who teaches us is a teacher. कौन पढ़ाता है आपको? Teacher. CHER. It's teacher. ये only C. Okay, children? It's C. TEACHER. TEACHER. Okay, it's teacher. Now, teacher teaches you. Then, can you identify the teacher is male or female? No, I've told you this time that teacher could be male or female. So, teachers comes under common genders. In short, I am writing in this way. Teacher is common gender. Niece is masculine. Feminine. Nephew is male. So, the niece is female, comes under female, F. Then horse is male, then mare comes under feminine. Grandfather is masculine, M. Neighbor comes under CG, common gender. Orphan also comes under common gender. Painter comes under common gender. Do you understand the difference between common gender, masculine, feminine word? Once again, we will repeat the fill in the blanks. A person who paints is a painter. And painter, can you identify whether the painter is male or female? No. So the painter word I'll keep in common gender. The second one, a child without parent is called an orphan. 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 Orphan could be male or female, anything else. So it is placed in common gender. Third, a person who lives in the house next to yours is your neighbor. NEIGHBOUR. Neighbor word. Also, it cannot be identified that whether the neighbor is male or female. So kept this in common gender. Your father's dad is your grandfather. It's male. Father is male category. The opposite gender of a horse, male, that is mare. Mare is female because horse is male, then it comes in feminine. MARE, feminine. The opposite gender of nephew is niece. NIECE. It's female. Nephew is male, so that nieces comes under female, feminine one. The person who teaches us is a teacher. Yes, teacher could be common gender because teacher, you cannot identify whether the teacher is male or female. Teacher is the word used for both male and female. I think from this video you can easily understand the common gender. In common gender, I have told you, I'll give you the examples of, what are that example? Examples of parents. First example, parents. Your parents is your example of common gender. Second example, I'll give you child. All of you at your home, child is used for both male and baby child. Then there is a word used, servant. Also anything else can be male or can be female. Okay, and the common gender you have to write in your worksheet number 3, that is some common gender. I have used that common gender. What are that? Engineer, the word first, engineer, teacher, scientist, students and doctor. If you have any confusion about this common gender, then ask to me again on WhatsApp or on the web, on the online study. Okay children, so and do it in your homework. Worksheet number 3, do in homework. Worksheet number 3, do in HW. Okay, do it. Thank you children. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you.